Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Colson here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to go over our Jade Edge ceramic coating. Jade Edge is a clear nano coating that will protect your vinyl trim from weather, chemicals, and UV rays while repelling water, dirt, and other contaminants. Jade Edge applies a hard and durable coating that is 2 to 3 microns thick and imparts a deep reflective shine. Surfaces treated with Jade Edge will remain protected for up to 1 year. Before applying Jade Edge, use Refresh Surface Prep to clean and prep the area. For more information, click the link in the description below. To use Jade Edge, shake the bottle well. Pour several drops onto the included suede applicator and begin applying to trim pieces and rubber moldings in a crosshatch pattern. Be sure to only apply Jade Edge when the vehicle is cool, clean, and away from direct sunlight. With each pass, overlap to be sure to evenly coat and distribute the product. After the surface has been covered with coating moving in crosshatch patterns, you will want to allow the coating to cure for 5 to 10 minutes before gently removing the excess product with a clean suede cloth or low nap microfiber towel. Do not allow coating to come into contact with water for 48 hours while curing. Apply additional coats, but wait at least an hour in between applications of Jade Edge. Alright guys, now that we've applied Jade Edge to this vehicle, it will stay hydrophobic and protected for up to 1 year. For more information on this product and all of our other great auto detailing supplies, check us out on the web at DetailKing.com.